Today is Saturday the 13th. I just got my vlog camera from my office. It is 11:30. I am blinding you with the light. I'm getting ready to go to one of my bridesmaids. She was, again, I'll figure this out eventually, guys. She is getting married in Jamaica and I'm not able to attend, but I am still going to the shower. And then I have one of our other friends' kids' birthday party, and it was hard because I already said I would go to the birthday party like a month before I even knew about the shower. So I'm going to go to my friend's shower for like an hour. So essentially like right before they open gifts, I'll like leave and go to the friend's baby birthday. But the problem is like she's doing all this like big stuff during the time I will be at the wedding shower. So it'll just be when I get there, I'll just be able to kind of catch the tail end. So that kind of sucks, but I have to go to both, and I can't go to the other one for an hour because then I come back for presents and it's just like not. It's better to go to the wedding shower over the birthday party first. So that is what I'm going to do. I just showered. I'm going to curl my hair and put something on this face because trust me, I need it. So I figured I would just do kind of like I would definitely say I'm gonna do a time lapse for the hair because ain't nobody got time to watch that. You guys would be like, I'm so bored. It's funny, I have that like super blonde streak right there, but like when it's like normal, you don't even see it. And then makeup, I may do a get ready with me or I may just fast forward. So we'll see, but let's get in to my hair because I get too hot when I do makeup first and then hair. I'm like, oh yeah, dripping sweat. No, So let's do hair. Sort of. Let me do this and then we'll do hair, which is just Cetaphil, like the lotion. To let that dry while I do my my hair. I kind of want to put you guys higher so I don't have to curl my hair like this. Oh, I'm a fool when it comes to about that. I have Mike's watch thing. True story, I didn't even think I was recording like at all because my camera just shut off, and normally I would see the battery blinking, but I don't remember if I saw the red. I decided not to check to see if footage was there, but literally all I said was good morning. I'm going to be going to a friend's house and I'm gonna do a, you know what? Let me do my hair first, which I said in the video was gonna be a time lapse, and it is. And then I said I would do maybe a get ready with me. Versus like just a fast forward. So let me do my hair with the fast forward and then I can get ready and tell you what I was telling you earlier. So let me do that, okay? Let that cool down. All right, so I'm gonna let that cool down, look like a crazy person while we start the makeup. Oh man, it's hot in her. So I turn that off, and sometimes I have to go back in and, you know, touch things up a little bit. I don't really feel like dealing with this at the moment, so I'm gonna just kind of stick that back. And my face is pretty much dry, so I'm gonna wet my beauty sponge. I am pale, and even NC15 is too dark for me right now. And then this one is darker, and this is like white. So this is the Tint Idol Ultra from Lancome, and I've used this stuff for years, but I want a little bit more full coverage. So I'm taking majority of that, and then I'm just bringing kind of like some out of the MAC, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff today. So maybe, come on. I don't want like a lot, so I'm like barely touching it. There we go. So I have to go to my friends, like I have two things I have to go, well, three. So I have to go to my friend's shower. She was in my wedding, one of my bridesmaids as well. And so her shower is today, and I also have my friend's child's birthday, which I'm at the age where you have children's birthdays. It's so scary. And so I actually knew about the kid's birthday like a month before I knew about the shower. So I only knew about the shower like since the beginning of the year. Today's the 13th. It's a Saturday. Yeah, it's the 13th on a Saturday. So I think she sent it like January 2nd, or the lady who was doing it. See, look how white I am. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Like, I look as white. I look like I'm becoming a mime. So needless to say, I had already, like, for a month know about the birthday party, but obviously I'm not going to skip my friend's shower for a birthday party. So I'm gonna go to the shower first, and I'll probably stay for like an hour. Like, I don't need to stay and open up gifts. Like, she could open my gift there, or she could take it home and open it up with her future husband. But I don't know if you watched one of my last vlogs. I'm pulling out the bag. That she doesn't have to open it there. I wouldn't be offended, because I'm not gonna be there when she opens gifts, because like you just sit there forever while they open gifts up. I'm sorry, the concealer I'm looking for is downstairs. So I'm going to use Shape Tape, which I know everyone's like obsessed with this. I mean, I'm not. Like, I feel like my, is it the Maybelline, the one that twists up with like the sponge head, does way better than this. I'm probably going to be like banished from ever displaying makeup again. But yeah, so I have her shower, and then They both start at 1 too, so it's like not like one starts at 12 or like 11 and I could like scoot out for like the birthday. No, they both start at 1. And obviously I'm not gonna go to the birthday. I already said I was going like a month ago, so I am doing both to the best of my ability. My God, I look like a mime. So I'm going to take Skin Finish Natural to just ever so lightly warm up the skin and set the powder. Just take a little extra under the eye and kind of like shove it up there. These are all technical terms. Probably, but I still look pale as a mother. Should I just leave my hair like this? Yeah. No. Let's put some eyebrows on because I feel incomplete without eyebrows. So yeah, I have that. So they both start at 1. So I'll go for like an hour to the friend's shower, because then that's like right about when you start opening gifts, is like ooh, an hour in or so. So, but what sucks is that I'm gonna miss like all the the birthday stuff, because they're doing that at 2 and I'm not leaving my friend's shower that early. Especially if I'm gonna be very punctual and on time. Because like when you leave early, you better be freaking there on time, right? Eyebrows, pencils are the best thing. Like, you know when they say like you can take one thing to an island, what would you take? Everyone's like, oh yeah, mascara. Hell no, I'm taking my eyebrows, because I can't even imagine, because I don't wax my eyebrows like very often. I wax them like twice a year. That's how like sparse my eyebrows are, which you guys saw. They just don't grow. And it's not like I overplucked them in high school or even college. I just had that one wax like when I was in high school that essentially destroyed my eyebrows for the rest of my life. I mean, I do have some, they're just not like feature eyebrows, right? So I'm coming over here to do the both. So if you see me rocking. And then Mike's sister is in town from New York. She is doing a show here, and we are going to grab dinner. She didn't even know she would be able to see us because she's so busy. I guess she's on to another show tomorrow, I believe. So I'm so glad that we get to see her. Because I don't really know when we would see her this year. I'm trying to think. I was like, unless we all went to, you know, I'd love to go to New York. But we still broke from our honeymoon, okay? Real life problems. I mean, not really, but yeah. Something that we shouldn't just be like, oh, let's jet off to New York and spend another like $3,000. She lives in a 1-bedroom, so I ain't staying with her. Okay, and then I always add powder kind of like the opposite way, so it looks a little bit more natural, but then I always get the fluffies. Okay, and then I take this guy, and this I really like actually for my eyebrows. It's a darker color. I'm using Quiet Blonde, which this is not for blondes. No, this is for brunettes. But like, I always kind of like take it to add dimension. Like, you can kind of start to see it, but like, I'm adding a little bit of dimension with this. I really like it. What? What? Vlogging?
What? Shouldn't you be getting ready to go?
I am.
You are what?
Both?
Okay, well, I'm about to come in here and take a shower.
Well, that's rude.
Should've thought about that.
I guess that's what happened when you live with more than one person. So I am going to wrap my friend's present. Mike's going to go get the baby one because we wait till the last minute for everything. Oh wait, I think wrapping paper is downstairs because I haven't moved it up here yet. Problems with like purging your office. There's a whole bunch of crap down there. Guess we don't need that on anymore. We're running downstairs. So she registered at Macy's, and so we got her that. Her kitchen is like white marble-esque, so that will match perfectly. So she can have that on the counter and serve fancy cheese. So I need to go get wrapping paper.